guys, you've been wondering, if you haven't watched part 1, go check it out. And I could actually prove it, because if you haven't seen part 1, go watch it. It doesn't say anything, but it's a fun thing. Even download it. And guys, I could show you the time right now. Or I should have my stack time in like 30 minutes, so let's go. So cute. Just want to make it. I can't get that much of a proof, so I'm gonna probably go out there, okay, guys? Because I feel like you guys don't believe me, so let's go out there.
Oh my gosh. Stop fighting each other. Blocking my block.
What are you doing?
Nothing.
You're not going outside, man. It's raining outside.
Yes, I make a video.
He's over here swimming. Alright, bet. Alright, bet. You know what? I don't even know if he's
I'm making a video, so I gotta get.
What is it, bro? You literally walk like an NPC.
I wonder if you guys know that. If you want to see it, pause the video. So, I couldn't be sure because I can't go out that well, so. Okay, so it's probably the end of this video. So remember to hit that subscribe button, Mouse Squad, and a hit smash like this. And a big thumbs up. And I hit that notification, notify posting new videos just like these ones. And remember to always stick together. Mouse Squad, peace.